If I had to give you a very quick description of what IVEMSA does, we help foreign companies do business in Mexico, predominantly in the manufacturing space, but not limited to. So we provide all the management services and the compliance services that you need to set up in Mexico legally and the right way. We eliminate all the red tape. The reason why we decided to go down our website relaunch, redesign, is because we really didn't have anything online. We knew that we needed to revamp, refresh, and probably reinvent ourselves online. And we were looking for a company, an American company that would help us out. We chose Bop Design as our web design agency because it was just very simple, straightforward. Working with Bop Design has really elevated our business. Bop is basically our extended team when it comes to marketing. It's just, I can talk all day about it, but I mean, it really has been a game changer. At least online presence just looks right. People understand our value proposition, they get it, it's easy to navigate our website. The information that we give our clients clearly has been vetted by you guys, and so it really has helped out. Working with Bop Design after the launch has just been very methodical, but in a good way. It's like very process-oriented, results-oriented, and you guys are very, very good with time. The engagement has been pretty mature now. Now we're starting to get really good leads because you understand our value proposition, the customer that we're looking for, so you're able to tailor-make our website and our online presence really tailor-made towards that audience. So the leads are good. So if I had to summarize in 4 words how to explain or how to describe our engagement with Bop Design, I would say it was easy, proactive, straightforward, excellent.